In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly copy a table in Notion. Whether you're managing your tasks, organizing your projects, or simply keeping track of vital information, knowing how to duplicate a table can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open Notion by launching the app on your desktop or by navigating to the Notion website on your browser of choice. You'll see a list of your pages and workspace contents. Locate the page where the table you want to copy is situated and open it up to view the contents. Once you have your table or database in view, hover over the title of the database. You should notice that a set of options or icons appear as you do this. These options are designed to give you quick access to different functionalities related to your Notion page. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your table. You'll see an icon consisting of 3 dots. This is quite often referred to as the More Options button in many applications. By clicking on these 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear offering a range of different tasks you can perform with your database. Among these options, look for one that says Duplicate. Selecting the duplicate option is key here. It's the magical step where Notion does the heavy lifting for you. By clicking Duplicate, you're instructing Notion to create a clone of your original table. Remarkably, the duplicate table appears instantaneously just below the original one, with all its structure, content, and properties intact. This step is incredibly useful if you need to make modifications to the data structure without altering the original data. Now, with your duplicated table ready, you may want to move it to a more accessible location within your workspace. To do this, simply head over to the sidebar where all your pages are listed. Click on the newly duplicated table, hold down the mouse button, and drag it to your desired position in the sidebar. You might want to place it in a different section to keep your workspace organized, or you might just prefer a different order that suits your workflow better. Notion makes it really intuitive to rearrange your pages so you can set up your workspace just how you like it. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to copy a table in Notion. By following these steps, you can efficiently duplicate your data, saving time and effort to focus on what truly matters. Continue exploring the features Notion offers to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more useful tips and tutorials.